I believe this elevator is part of the Venetian, so this is the elevator that goes down to the street at the, what the hell is it? Grand Canal Shops. I think this is the Venetian side. It's right by the street. Yeah, I've not seen this one either. It's one of these. This is a very Venetian elevator. All right. Straight casino access. Oh, what the? Oh, that's not a down button. I thought that was a down button. Motor? Alright, there it goes, and that's it.